Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor. So the AMLC, as you said, is the Financial Intelligence Unit of Government, and its main mandate covers money laundering and terrorism financing. No? Pag sinabi pong money laundering, ano po ba yun? Could we give a layman's definition of what is money laundering?
Okay. Money laundering is the use of usage of parang unlawful proceeds of instruments of unlawful activities.
Okay. So yung money laundering po, kung tama ang intindi ko, ay yung paraan o proseso na kung saan yung pera mula sa illegal na gawain, criminal acts, ay kaya dirty money, tawag, ay gagawing legal. Tama po ba? O clean. Kaya laundering daw. Parang yung laundering kasi kung sa Pilipino, paglalaba, di ba? So yung maduming damit, lalaban mo, magiging malinis na.
Correct.
No, so parang ganon. Yung pera mula sa illegal, mula sa krimen, no, dadaan sa may isang prosesong pagdadaanan, usually sa mga bangko, pwedeng ganon, or sa iba pang financial institutions. Tapos, paglabas, yung pera ay malinis na. Ibig sabihin, hindi na madaling mauugnay dun sa pinagmulang illegal na aktibidad. Tama po ba?
That's correct.
Yes. Thank you po. Okay, so yun po. And then terrorism financing, that is as defined in the terrorism financing law. So, yung pagpondo sa what is defined as terrorist activities. Okay, so madali siguro unawain. Okay, so let us focus on the mandate. No? And for that purpose, the AMLAC, Anti-Money Laundering Council, is requesting a budget of
333, supposed to be 333,100,754.41.
Is it 333 po million? Okay.
Million.
Sine-check ko lang po
But the proof is, but ang yung net nila is only 170 million.
yes.
161.
Okay, yun. Nalito po ako. Okay, in the NEP and the GAA,
It's only
the
171.
GAB, the General Appropriations Bill, it's only 170.1 million pesos. But the